swale, city-owned property that was outside the home, and this jerk took the bike and destroyed it. This jerk has a major vendetta against cats. We did not have a feral cat problem, but many people, including my own, had cats that were indoor/outdoor. We were not on the main road, and there was little traffic. Most of the cats didn't go far from home, usually just went out chasing pigeons and a few garter snakes that were around. They always came home at night, unless they ended up in this jerk's yard. He started by trapping cats and taking them to the pound. Many families in the neighborhood would get calls about their cats being turned in and having to get them. My family, who were well known at the pound, my mother was an animal lover, to an annoying extent, and we were there often, would get calls to inform us that one of our cats was there. When Jerk found out that trapping cats wasn't getting rid of them, is when he escalated. He started poisoning them, but many lived because the symptoms were caught early enough, so he escalated again. And that is when crap got serious. Suddenly, cats all over the neighborhood were dying, and no one could figure out why. It wasn't until the cat of a sweet old lady got out of the house. She was indoor only, but got out during a package delivery. 3 days later, the cat showed back up sick. This woman was not poor, and this was a costly cat. Angora, I think. Maybe Persian. It was a white fluff ball, and this woman loved that cat. She took the cat to the vet, and it was determined that the cat had a belly filled with glass. But the damage was too massive, and the cat died while at the vet's office. This woman was furious. She got around to the neighborhood, and it was me who told her that I thought I knew who did it. I thought this because my mom and I were frequent visitors to the pound. They told my mother who it was that kept bringing our cats, and with a little prodding, we found that all the cats that came from our neighborhood were brought in by the same person. I told this wonderful older woman who I thought did it, and she was furious. She got in her caddy and rolled up to this jerk's house and confronted him. I was a bit of a free-roam kid back then. Had to be home by the time the streetlights came on, so I made sure to ride my bike over to see what the fireworks would be like. She rolled up and pulled in his driveway, got out of the car, and pounded on the door. I mean pounded. Jerk opens the door, and she begins softly, saying that something terrible had happened to her cat, and that she was just going door to door, trying to find out if anyone knew what happened. Jerk responded with a reaction. I wasn't close enough to hear everything that was said because of this jerk's hatred of kids, but I was close enough to hear what happened next. Sweet old lady went from 0 to 100 in .001 seconds. She poked her finger in his chest and said, "I think it was you, you cranky old jerk. I know that you've been taking cats to the pound, and I bet you're the one that killed my princess." Yes, that was the cat's name. This jerk just smirked and said, "Yeah. Glass and cat food and some catnip will always work to get those destructive beasts out of the neighborhood. I will keep on doing it, and you can't do nothing to stop me." Sweet old lady hauled and slapped this jerk across the face and turned around and walked back to her car. I was good friends with sweet old lady and often spent time at her house after school because she was alone and needed some company. She was always very kind to me. When I went over next, I asked what happened after she left. She told me she called the cops, but without concrete proof, there was nothing that they could do. When they spoke with the jerk, he admitted to trapping cats and taking them to the pound, but never said anything about the glass. Sweet old lady was beside herself because she wanted justice for Princess. I got an evil grin on my face and said, "Don't worry, you'll get justice." She looked at me and smiled and nodded her head. You see, this all happened in the first part of October. I knew just about every kid and teen in the neighborhood, free roam thing, and I told all of them what happened. The total was about 20 of them, with 12 of them being teens who could drive and had their own incomes. I told them all what we should do. I laid out the entire plot, and we all worked to get things that we needed. When Halloween rolled around, I was unfortunately not able to fully participate in this because I sadly got grounded for getting into a fight with a kid in the neighborhood. Halloween night, about 15 people late in the night converged on Jerk's house. As luck would have it, he was not home at the time. His car was still there, but a neighbor relayed to the group that he had left in a car with someone else. The group shattered every window and mirror in his car. Once the windows were broken, they opened the door and destroyed the interior. They poured sand in the gas tank and did something to the engine block. Don't remember what. They broke every window in the house, including a sliding glass door in his backyard.